we are. We just landed in, Florida. Literally an hour ago, and we're at the. What'd you get?
Beef nacho and this platter. Look how much is on it. And we had to get the ribs.
Yeah, this is just a quick snack for us because we got dinner tonight in Taralina. So, a little snack for us. We just love the Rainforest Cafe. Gotta come here every time we come down here. The ones in New York closed down, so this is the one. Looks delicious. How is it?
Really good.
And it's cool, we got this Corona Rita that's really delicious here too, isn't it? Oh, I love this one. Yum, yum, yum. Can't get enough of this place.
Living the life.
What are you eating?
Nachos, because that's what's easy.
Mm-hmm.
And they're delicious.
What's your favorite thing on the plate so far?
The nachos.
Cool.
Delish.
All right. Okay, guys. This is us from the Rainforest Cafe. Over and out.